everyone, welcome to Big OGGIE Golf. I'm on another slightly bouncy walk, sorry about this, and I'm just hand holding on my iPhone today just to show you can make a video on your phone. This is second day of my now what will be regular walks. Like the hat, new hat, part of the new merchandise we're trying out. I'm just testing it myself, not much of a very good model I have to say, but it works. It's insulate, very warm. And it needs to be today because it's a stunningly beautiful day, fairly calm on the wind front anyway. And I'm walking down to Cape Cornwall Point, and it's absolutely stunning. It really is. It's so beautiful today. Sunrise has just come up, and it's just one of those fantastic sort of still moonlit pastel skies. Just met a photographer walking back up with a huge camera. He's always taking some very fancy pictures today. We're just here to relax, to go on a walk, to chill out, and to get rid of some of those lockdown blues, I guess, really. I'm going to take some bits of footage of the sea and hopefully give you a bit of a chill out time, yeah? Sometimes we just need that. And I know a lot of you who are stuck in cities or whatever, you can't go out for walks on places like this or to places like this, so I'm going to do it for you. We'll put it on video, help you relax, help you get through your day. If you're all struggling out there, still if anyone's struggling, you know where I am, you know how to get in touch with me. Any of the Buccaneers will all help you out, okay? But right now, sit back and relax to the views and the sound of the sea. Some mornings are just perfect. How lovely is that? That could be one of my paintings. Pastel skies, a little bit of moon, beautiful sea, fairly tranquil. Fairly tranquil. Those waves are still pretty big down there. Let's get closer. So I hope you really enjoyed that. Just a little bit of footage. Not sure if I'm putting music on it, but probably just waves and wind. That was my little trip to Cape Cornwall Point. Although, to be honest, the point is at the top of that mound. I'm wondering maybe we walk there as well. That'll be the pinnacle of my walks. Pinnacle of my walks. But you've basically been to Priest's Cove. Priest's Cove is that wonderful little cove that you saw all the water crashing in, those little fishing boats. Oh, my thoughts go out to all those fishermen out there that just brave the elements and brave those waves to just bring food on the table for some of us. Please support them if you can. They're going through a lot of issues since Brexit, you know, not doing politics, but hey, they are struggling with everybody else. And I've lived in a fishing village in Ireland as well, and you know, so many people lose their lives in the pursuit of finding us food. Put a couple of pounds in the honesty box, picked up some Cornish daffodils for my wife. I'm gonna go home now, grab a shower. This is not my best look. I've just had to climb up what feels like, well, I've not got a stepper on me, a couple of thousand steps or more, I don't know, but it's a long way up. I'm sheltering from the wind because the wind is completely against me all the way home. That's my excuses for the day done. If you come here to play Cape Cornwall Golf Club, hopefully you'll see a quick bit of footage now. This is those kind of views that you see. Priest Cove is literally half a mile down from Cape Cornwall Golf Club. And you can stop, play golf, and then you can drive just down the little slope on the side to the National Trust car park, and then go and see Priest Cove. Great day out, isn't it, eh? So, hopefully you'll be seeing me play Cape Cornwall very soon on some videos. We've not done the full course before, so I'm going to find out if I can do that for you. We're going to do these little walks quite often. Sennen Cove is a couple of miles down the road here, which is a lovely, wonderful beach as well. And in the other direction, I have the engine wheelhouse ruins from the mines. This is totally pole dart country. If you've watched the pole dart series, this is where it's all filmed. So you'll see lots of locations that you would already seen on TV probably, and now you're going to see on my channel. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. Can I just say, if you don't live by the sea and you come down on holidays and that sort of thing, you want to take photographs of the sea, and you know, you hear there's going to be a storm coming in and it's fantastic and it's really exciting, just don't. You know, it's just a very scary thing, and there are people die here every year, get swept out to sea. You have to be very, very respectful. The sea is, well, she's a dangerous mistress, okay? We love her, but she can hurt us badly. And even just where I was now, just on the Priest Cove on that slipway, not particularly bad today. All right, the waves are about 5 feet, 6 feet maybe in places, but when it comes to the cove, it felt fairly peaceful for here. I was standing quite a way up that slipway, and as you can see from some of the pictures, that water came up to me very quickly. Doesn't take much, slight slip, you're in. Those rocks, you ain't here no more. So just be careful, okay? That's my warning for the day. Just stay safe when you go near to beaches, and enjoy the sea, but play safe, okay? Right, so I'm off. If you want to ask me some questions, ask me some questions. We'll add some questions in on my walk. Yeah, I really love doing the Q&A videos, and why not? We can add them to some of the beautiful sights that I see. Ask me some questions. Ask about me, ask about my art, ask about golf, ask about my opinions on life and everything in it. I'll tell you what I can. Bye for now, everybody. Speak soon. Stay safe.